Good morning students. Today we are going to see a grammar junction. So now I am going to read a line from the story. She ran and ran till she tumbled right down a rabbit hole. This is the line from the story what we have seen in the last class. In the lesson, from the lesson, the Alice and the white rabbit. There only the line given here. She ran and ran till she tumbled right down a rabbit hole. Here the word till is given. So here the till represents the conjunction word. In this line the two sentences are connected together by the word till here. So we are going to see the grammar conjunction. Conjunction means it's joining the two sentences is said to be as a conjunction. So here it is given conjunction or joining words are used to join words or sentences. To join a words or to join a sentence we will use this conjunction. So there are some conjunctions given there. So that one you are going to see. So conjunction means we can say that as joining words also. Joining the words or a sentences is said to be as a conjunction. So in here we are going to see this only. Example, we see that first one is I like dancing and painting. What is given here? I like dancing and painting. Here the conjunction word is and. So how we are using this conjunction word, like that only we are going to see here. There are few conjunction words you are going to learn that. And the next one here, we reached the bus stop on time, but the bus had already left. So here the conjunction word is but. So how we got this as a conjunction? To joining the words or joining the sentence. Here we used and. For what we are using? Here there is dancing and here painting. Both things are given. Rendu vishayam kutuna you have to use and in between that words. This is one word dancing and here another one painting. Both things given means you have to use. Both of them I like. Rendume enakku pidikum. So you have to use and in between these two words. So this is the conjunction word that you are using here. And here we reached the bus stop on time. On time you have reached the bus stop. And the next sentence is the bus had already left. The first one is we reached the bus stop on time, and the next sentence is bus already left. We have left the bus. So we have to join these two sentences. For this we have to use but. If we have reached the bus stop on time, the time we have reached, but the bus already left. So we have to use but here. சீக்கிரமாவே வந்துட்டேன் ஆனா we have left the bus. So ஆனா means we have to use but here. And the conjunction words is given. So why we are using the words like that we are going to see, and one example for this also we are going to see. So first one is when and the next one is while, before, after, till. So these are some of the conjunction words. So where and all we will use when, like that we are going to see. When where we will use means usage means where we are going to use. When is used to show the time of action. To mention the time of action. Where there is some action of time, we have to use the word as when. When you are going to the hospital, when the time representing the action of time, we have to use when. When you are going, when you will come. So when means you have to, there is some action of time. And here while. While is used to show two or more actions happening at the same time. While means at the same time the two things are happening. ரெண்டு விஷயங்கள் at a time ல நடக்கிறது. We will use here while. Used to show two or more actions. Two or more actions means ரெண்டு மூணு விஷயங்கள் நடக்குது. Actions happening at the same time. At that same time the two things are happening means you will use while. While I am doing this, it was happen like that. Like that you have to use while. நம்ம பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க நேரத்துல இன்னொரு விஷயம் பண்றது. So you will write while then the connecting the words. And here before. Before used to show the time means earlier than. Before means earlier, முன்னாடியே. After means அதுக்கு அப்புறம். Before means முன்னாடியே என்ன நடந்திருக்கு. Used to show time. It's also representing a time but means earlier than. Earlier than means முன்னாடியே, சீக்கிரமாவே. So this is the thing we will use before. And after means used to show time. This is also showing the time before and after. After means அதுக்கு அப்புறமா. Means later than means அதுக்கு அப்புறம். Then the word till. used to talk about a situation that will continue up to a certain moment. Till means idu varaikku, the continuing moment that continue up to a certain moment, idu varaikku nadakku, up to this it will happen. So that is the thing till we will use in the conjunction word. Used to talk about a situation, to representing a situation, it will happening to up to the part of the moment. So this is the word till we will use in the conjunction: when, while, before, after, and till here. So we shall see some examples for this. For when, we are going to see one example. It was midnight when I reached home. It was midnight when I reached home. Midnight means you know Ratri. It was midnight. It was midnight when I reached home. Veetukku na reach aarappo it was midnight. So when means here we will mention that time, right? So eppa reach aayirkom, when you shows the time of action, where, when, like that. Here it is mentioning the time of action. So we are using when to that conjunction part. And next one is for while. We are seeing to the example. While mother was cooking, I cleaned up the room. What is given here? While mother was cooking, I cleaned up the room. There are two things happening here. While my mother is cooking, என்னோட அம்மா வந்து குக் பண்ணுறப்போ I am cleaning up the room. அங்கே ஒரு வேலை செஞ்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க, நான் ஒரு வேலை செஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். அது சேம் டைம் it is happening. Same time நடந்தால் we have to use while. So while mother was cooking, I cleaned up the room. And the next one, for before, we are going to see one example. You must brush your teeth before you go to bed. You must brush your teeth before you go to bed. So here before means போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி. So before முன்னாடி. So you must brush your teeth before you go to bed. பெட்டுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி brush பண்ணிட்டு போ. So முன்னாடி, the after means earlier than, சீக்கிரமாகவே. So நீ அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே பண்ணிட்டு போ அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு the word he used here is before. So you must brush your teeth before you go to bed. And the next one is after. Here after is used for showing the time which is later than அதுக்கு அப்புறமா. So see the example. After they won to the match, the team had a party. After they won the match, the team had a party. They have won the match. So after that only they are having the party. Here there are two sentences. How we are connecting the words? By after. After they won, winning the match, win பண்ணக்கு அப்புறமா they are going to the party. So here the word used is after for the conjunction. The next conjunction word is till. For example, stay indoors till the rain stops. Stay indoors till the rain stops. There is rain. There is a rain. So stay in the indoor. So stay indoor is one sentence, and other sentence is the rain stops. Rain stop anakavuma you can go. So up to that you have to stand inside. உள்ளே இருங்க. So stay indoors till the rain stops. Till the rain stops means எது வரைக்கும். We have seen, right? Used to talk about a situation that will continue up to a certain moment. So up to that moment you have to wait. Like that they are saying up to that moment means it is, we will use here the word is till. Up to that moment, the situation it has to stop somewhere. Up to the starting, stopping this word, continuous wording situation, we have to use that as a till as a conjunction. So stay indoors till the rain stops. So these are the things that we have seen example for these conjunction words. Now we are going to see the exercise. Replace the incorrectly used conjunctions with the correct ones. So there are some incorrect conjunctions are given, so we are going to correct them. So now we are going to see exercise thing. Here what is given means replace the incorrectly used conjunction with correct ones. So here are the sentence which are incorrectly written conjunctions. So you are going to correct the conjunction words given here. The first one is I watched TV, so I finished my homework. Here the conjunction word is so. Here it is not suitable because I watched TV after I finished my homework. முடிச்சக்கு அப்புறம் தான் you will watch the TV. அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே so இது பண்ணனால தான் TV watch பண்ணுறேன். So I finished my homework, like that it will be the meaning. So it is the wrong meaning if we use the so in the conjunction word here. I finished my homework. You have finished the homework. So only you are watching the TV. If the sentence is reversed means it may be right. But here what is given? I watched TV after I finished my homework. After finishing only you are watching to TV. So here the exact conjunction word is after. After, the time is represented here where we have finished the homework. When we have finished the homework, I finished my homework. So it is after the word, conjunction word will be suitable for here. I watched TV after I finished my homework. You are watching to TV. And the next one is, you must always wash your hands while having food. What is the meaning for while? Where you will use the while conjunction? While means what? Doing two things, two or more things. See to here, used to show two or more action happening at the same time. At the same time there is action. Two situations are happening. The two actions are happening means you will write while. So what is given here? You must always wash your hands. You are washing your hands when after you will washing the hands only you will eat the food. Before you won't wash the hands. You have to wash your hands before eating the food. So you have to use before. You must always wash your hands before having food. Before eating you have to wash your hands. So here while is not suitable for here. While means happening at the same time. You must always wash your hands while having food means you are washing the hands. Like that the meaning is given here. So which is wrong. So you have to use before. Before eating you have to wash your hands. You must always wash your hands before having food. After means சாப்பிட்டக்கப்புறம் you have to wash your hands. Like that also same thing. You must always wash your hands before having food. சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி you have to wash. After eating also you have to wash your hands. So here the suitable word is before. Before eating you have to wash your hands. And the next sentence is, Govind saw an injured puppy or he was walking in the park. Here the word or is given as a conjunction here. So what is given? Govind saw an injured puppy. Injured puppy means adipatta or nai. So or he was walking in the park. What is given? ஒன்று அதை பார்த்துருக்கான் இல்லைன்னா அவன் வந்து பார்க்கில் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கான். Like that it is given here. So which is not a two sentence or separated. So we have to use here while. While he is walking only he had saw an injured puppy. So you have to use here while. What you will use? While. The two things are happening at the same time it is happening. While he is walking he saw an injured puppy. So you have to correct it as while as a conjunction word here. And the next one is and. You finish drinking the milk, you can eat the pizza. What is given here? And you finish. At the first itself and is given. And is means two words are connected means only you will use here and. But here first itself it is given and. You finish drinking the milk. What is given? Finish drinking the milk. Drank the milk. You can eat the pizza. So what is given? You finish drinking the milk, you can eat pizza. After you finish drinking the milk, you can eat pizza. After drinking, you can eat pizza. So that is the exact word you are going to use here. After eating, after drinking. So after that only you can eat pizza. Rendume same time you can do. Or else if it is milk and pizza you can give. If the sentence is between two words you can use and. Here it is given finished. You finish drinking the milk, you can eat the pizza. So after drinking only you can eat the pizza. So the exact word is after. After is the correct conjunction is used here. And the next one is because I grow up I would like to be a pilot. So what is given here? Grow up means வளர்றது. So சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து வளர்றது. So when you are growing up you will be you like to be a pilot. Like that the meaning is given here. நான் வளர அப்போவே I like to be a pilot ஆகணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டேன். So that is given here. So here because the word is given as conjunction. So this is a wrong one because ஏன்னா நான் வளர்ந்தேன் that is not the exact meaning. So I grow up means when I am growing up. நான் வளர அப்போவே when means what? Used to show the time of action when it is happening when you are growing up. So when you are growing up means you have to use as the conjunction word as when. When I grow up, na valarappo I would like to be a pilot. Na valarapave I wish to become as a pilot, like that the meaning. So here we have to use when I grow up. Na valarappo I would like to be a pilot. So these are the things that we have corrected the conjunction words which is incorrectly given there. So you know to write what we have to use in the words exactly like that. You have to have some idea for this. So the next one is complete the following passage using the correct conjunction. You are going to complete the passage given here. One day Zion got up early to go to the nearby forest to pluck some fruits and berries. So what is given in the first one? One day Zion got up early. Sikamave enchita. To go to the nearby forest to pluck some fruits and berries. So he is plucking some fruits and berries. He needs to go to the forest, nearby forest, and he is plucking some fruits and berries. So Dash going to the forest, he picked up a big basket from Uncle Tom's shop. So he is going to forest only. So before going to the forest, he is picked up a big basket from Uncle Tom's shop. So he is going to the forest. For that what he needs some basket. So from his Uncle Tom's shop he is taking the basket. So what is before going only he will carry over, after going on he will be carrying over in the basket? No. So before itself he is getting from the shop, to Uncle Tom's shop. So he is taking before itself. So before going to the forest, போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி he is taking. And then next one is Dash, he reached the forest. The sun was shining brightly. Here that what is given? Dash, he reached the forest. He reached the forest. The sun was shining brightly. So what is given there? Sun is shining brightly. So he reached the forest means what will be there? When he reached the forest. Eppa reach no, he is looking to the sun was shining brightly. When means at the timing it is representing. So when he reached, he is carrying the basket before going to the forest, and then after that he reached there. So you will use that when he reached the forest, the sun was shining brightly. And the next one is there were pretty flowers everywhere and beautiful butterflies were hovering over them. So there he saw there were pretty flowers. Everywhere he sees to be pretty flowers, beautiful flowers are there, and beautiful butterflies were hovering over them. Over each flowers there are some beautiful butterflies are there. And then Zion ran after them and chased them from flower to flower. On seeing to that butterfly, Zion ran after them. Alpinadi he is chasing that butterflies from flower to flower. The butterflies easily will get away from us. So he is chasing to the butterfly from flower to flower. Dash he was playing, a fox slowly crept up to him. So Dash he was playing, a fox slowly crept up to him. Fox, you know what is a fox? So slowly when it is across, while he is playing, he saw a fox. So playing means there is happening two things. So where there is happening two things, we have to use while. So while he was playing, a fox slowly crept up to him. So next one is Zion saw the fox and was frightened. He took out his magic pencil and book and drew 2 fox clubs. Whoosh! Sparks flew and 2 cubs appeared. So there are 2 cubs appeared there. So seeing cute cubs, the fox became very happy. Dash started licking them. So on seeing to the cubs, fox felt very happy and started licking them. After seeing that small cub means small kuti. So after seeing to that, he started to licking. So happy is one word and started licking is the another word. So to connect these 2 words we will use here and and after seeing that it felt happy, right? So we have to use and in between that two words. The cubs too were happy to find a mother. So the cubs were also very happy to find the fox. And then dash the fox left with the two cubs. Zion quickly picked up his basket and after plucking the berries and fruits. So the cub too were happy to find a mother. Dash the fox left with the two cubs. So after the fox left with the two cubs, and fox was also very happy by looking to that, and cubs are also very happy. And after dash the fox left means after the lefting that with the cubs, Zion quickly picked up his basket and started plucking the berries. After that, leaving that, he came to pick up the berries and fruits. Soon his basket was full and he returned home happily. So you know where to use the conjunction words correctly. So fill that blanks given there in your book. So thank you students. We shall see the writing junction in the next class.